Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KGR, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. Please consider subscribing. Like I always say, it takes one to know one, takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. In any way I can help you, inbox me, leave a comment down below. Questions, comments, let's help each other out. That is the only way we can always get ahead. Anyway, today I'm working on this 2020s a Nissan Rogue. I'm replacing the front struts. This is the part number. The owner bought it from Nissan. From Nissan original. So that's the part number right there, I believe. I don't even know which one, if it's this or that, but I don't want to quote the wrong number, so that's it right there anyway. He bought it from Nissan. This is it right here. So you can see. It's complete. So we're going to be replacing it. So I did some job, done some job already. So I'm going to bring you guys along what it's going to take to do this. If you're going to do it, if you have any question, please inbox me. Trust me, I will always reply. Anyway, KG, you know my slogan. If you have watched my channel before, let's go. We're getting it right now. All right, KG, so for you to do this job, this guy right here, so this guy has to come out. You just have clips here, clips here, clips here. You pull that guy out, you're gonna take out the wiper anyway. Because the reason why, if you look down here, you see this bolt right here? You see this bolt? But the other third bolt you can't see, so the bolt is right in there. That's the reason why you make it a little bit snappy, because I don't have enough room in my camera. I'm running out of space. So this is the guy we're after, but for you to do it, you have to lose this ball joint right here. You lose this, then you pull this guy out. I lose the tire, obviously you can see I lose the caliper. So this guy right here now, the reason why this is a pole, it's not like the one that you used to, the old shocks, when you have the 22, just go right there, boom, 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 bada boom, you snap that out. But this is the one with the pole. So now we're gonna go ahead and knock this guy out, and we're replacing the new one. So I took out the speed sensor also. So just be mindful, it's doable. KG, right. Okay, like I said now, so we're gonna snap this guy out. I'm gonna knock this guy down. Let's make sure you put your hand underneath there. Move your leg from there so that shit don't drop on your leg. There she comes. So now we're gonna go on top there and load that. So I'm making it snappy, like I said. I don't have enough space in my camera. Okay, now so we're gonna go up there now and loose this guy, drop it down. That's it right there. So as you can see, the stroke is in now. Actually, I just decided to put the stroke in with a spindle right on the floor. I put it in already, so I'm gonna go ahead and start matting things up, KG, we'll be right. Now tie this guy right here. Put this guy right there. Lock in that guy. Put the sway bar link. Everything just start falling into place. Just like that. Sorry, like I said, I couldn't show much because I got so much on my camera there. So this one has like another cover. Then you put this guy right there. And knock that guy down. Where's my hammer? That's my hammer right there. Knock that guy down. I don't want to go in. lot of pins in now, so we'll go ahead and twist that guy right here like this, and pin that guy right there. Not that boy. Okay, so now we're gonna put the sway bar link and all of that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put a sway bar link. Like I said before, I'm just gonna recapture. You have to lose the cali pad. The cali pad has to be loose. The axle right here, you take off this pin, take off the speed sensor, then you lose the sway bar link, which I'm about to put back in there. You know, so this is the bigger one right there. Once you get to all of that, you're good to go, you know. Like I said, I don't have too much space on my camera, so I have a video that I need to upload. Once I upload all of that, you know. So in case this one is spinning, you have this to put in there. It's 6. Put it there so you stop it from spinning around. You don't have to grip it at the back there, but make sure you put some of the lubrication on it. Make sure you lubricate it. So what I do, I just put this there, like put this guy right here. Then I'll use this guy to like tie it down. I'm gonna use the gun to run it down, just like this. Oh, did not then go inside. Did you see that? The knot did not go inside. That was my fault. Oh, I put it the wrong way. Just like that. I bet you learned something today, right? So KG, we are here. We want to make a difference. Making a difference. Please consider subscribing. Support your boy. That's all I am asking. As I try to save you some money in your pockets, just support me by subscribing, okay? All right, so that's basically it. Yeah, KGR, sorry I couldn't show that much, but I hope you learned something today. But if you need any help, like I said, I'm here for you. Just make sure you inbox me, leave a comment down below, then I'll get back at you. I'm here to help, you know. Let's help each other out. I want to leave a mark. I want to empty out everything I know on the surface of this earth before I exit. KG, love you. I will see you on my next episode. We are out. Booyah. Peace.